Good morning! For this video po, papunta tayo sa Evening Wind Forest Farm located sa Barangay Maysawa, Tanay, Rizal. After ng Rainbow 89, kakaliwa na po tayo sa susunod na kanto. Dito rin located yung Treasure Mountain and Viewscape Nature Park. Then after 1.6 kilometers, meron tayong kakaliwaan, mararating na natin yung farm. Ibisitahin natin doon si Solo Flight Pinay na nagsusolo camp sa mga panahon to. Passable po ito sa all types of vehicles. Take note lang na kapag maulan, maputik din yung daan. Kakaliwa na po tayo dito, and after a few meters lang, mararating na natin yung gate ng Evening Wind Forest Farm. Ito yung kanilang stone house which can accommodate 6 to 10 packs, and ito rin yung mga rates including na rin yung car camping. Ma'am Ange, good morning!
Good morning, sandali lang
Sige lang.
Adventures rent natin to.
Bukas pa rin uuwi sila, Jason? Bukas pa kayo, sir?
Hindi. Ay, hindi, okay lang.
Tuloy po kayo. Morning, ma'am. Tuloy po.
Good morning po.
Panali ka dito kami lang po. Yan na lang po. Mag-exist ka baka pa namin ka. Kunyari, mas ka sir sa 7 or 8%. Never ako tumaba sa paningin niya ako.
Sige, pumayat ka. Bulang yan.
Ay, kailangan magtan yung garbage namin. Hindi, balik ko na lang namin. Nag-class ng tatlabi. Siguro na sila. Hindi naman nilalato ko ng Michelin. Natulog kami ng tanghali. Pag-gising kami, nasa sinusubukan.
Saan hindi ko kumibat ako? Hindi kailangan niya ngayon. Hindi, isa lang ang meron ng makukat.
Tapos kagabi, pinatigas ko ulit. Asan tayo?
Ay, wait.
Yahoo Mail.
Hindi hindi makasend ng picture.
Hindi mo ma-open. Wow.
Naka-video eh.
Ginawa nga talaga.
Isa pa. One. One, two. Landscape.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kinda funny, her hair is kinda wild and free. Oh, for love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kinda lazy, people say she's crazy, and life's a mystery. Oh, for love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. There's something about a hand holding mine, it's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, hey, she's really got it.
Dito.
Ang ano yan nung narinig ko, ang chill high. Kaso lang nilagay sa bibig.
Flying through the world, chasing dreams. The underground house on the beat. Every step we take closer to home, leaving a trace where we belong. Tread the trail, place your heart to see you soon. Through the mountains and valleys under the moon. Side by side, we'll stay strong and true. Following the path that leads me back to you. Hooray! Flying out when the world's asleep. I feel your presence so close and so deep. A love so gentle like a whisper in the wind. An everlasting promise that will always come again. Through the seasons, through the years, through the laughter, through the tears.